There's no doubt that this is a time of disruption, and it is an exceptionally exciting time. When you look around us, we not only have the digital disruption that's happening, you also have this notion of all of the technology conversions happening at the same time too, right? You've got the world of sensors, the world of cloud, the world of mobile, AR, additive, all colliding, and now you've got data, and from that, if you apply AI to it, you've got a whole sort of disruption environment occurring. So as you look at that, and particularly as you look at the trends that are changing and disrupting the way things are done, you have three main ones. One is you go from centralized to distributed. So think about it, everything is like hospitals to home, or centralized generation of electricity to distributed models. Or you have CapEx to OpEx. So before you'd have to buy the whole car, now you can buy the ride. And then you start to think about static and dumb to connected and smart. You put all of those things together, and my gosh, you have so much disruption. And when you put additive into that mix, it's remarkable. And we fundamentally believe that this is only going to open up a tremendous amount of opportunity. Some of it we don't actually even know what that might be, because it's so new. So we're excited about it.